Hey, you guys, it's Miss Alexander, and we are doing Module 6, Lesson 9 from Engage in New York. Our objective today is to use place value chart and metric measurement to compare decimals and answer comparison questions. Here are vocabulary words that we have been reviewing and we know. If you don't, do not worry about it. Pause the video and study them. You've got this. And we're going to keep moving on to our place value chart. Remember, we need to know what hundreds is, tens, ones, our decimal point, tenths, and hundredths. So we're going to keep moving down, you guys. Here is our example. It says, express the lengths of the shaded parts in decimal form. Write a sentence that compares the two lengths. Use the expression shorter than or larger than in your sentence. So the first thing I'm going to do is count my boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 boxes, and I don't have them all filled in, so it's not a full meter. I only have 3 filled in. So right now I'm seeing that I have a 0 and a 3. This I could write a 0 or just delete. Either way, it's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a 0 there, because what we're looking at right now is the fact that I might have double-digit hundredths on the bottom one. So again, it looks like it's the same thing. So I'm going to count 1, 2. Oh, look, it looks like I have 2 tenths, but I have some smaller ones. So I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like there's 7 there. So I'm going to put a 7. Now we have to figure out which is longer or shorter. So I'm going to start off with this one, 0.3 meters. So I'm going to go ahead and write it here, 0.3. And because the other one had hundredths, I'm going to go ahead and do this. And I'm going to go 0.27. 0.27. Now, 0.3 meters is shorter or longer than 0.27 meters. So 3/10 is it longer or shorter than 27 hundredths? Okay, so right here, you guys, I believe we're going to write 0.3 is longer than 0.27. This is how we're doing it. Great job. And we know it's longer because 30 is bigger than 27. Let's move down to the next part of our example. It says, examine the mass of each item shown below on the 1 kilogram scales. Put an X over the items that are heavier than the avocado. So it looks like the avocado is 0.2 kilograms. So which ones are heavier than the avocado? I see that the apple is 0.12 kilograms, and I know that 12 is smaller than 20, because if I put a 0 on the other side of the 2 in the hundredths, it gives me 20. So now I need to look, is 0.6 bigger than 0.2? Yes. So I'm going to take this neat little X and I'm going to put it right there. What about, I'm going to get it out, the grapes, is it bigger? Yes. So I'm going to take the other X and move it on over. Oops. I lost an X, you guys. Okay. They're both right there. So I'm going to move them over. Okay, image options, text wrapping. We want them in front. Okay, that's that one. I can take this one. Edit. Nope. In front. And then this one, we're going to do the same thing and put it in front. Okay, now that I've got my X's right, and it's okay that you see me do this. I'm going to go ahead and put my X's over my 2. Now that I've done that, you guys should be safe on getting this done. And now you guys, massive fruit. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is move up my little fruit here. Aren't they cute? Just in case you need visuals so you can see the difference. So now we're going to write them in kilograms. So I have the avocado. It looks like all of them, you guys. I'm just going to quick make this so it's more understandable for me. And that's okay. Miss Alexander is one of those people. Okay, now that I've done that, we're going to close that. So my avocado is 0.2. So I'm going to do 0. My point goes here, and I get a 2. My apple was 0.12. And right here, you guys have got to put a 0 because I don't have any. And then here's 0.60. And then 0.61. Now that I've done that, I get to go answer some questions. The avocado is lighter or heavier than the apple. So right here, we get to figure out, is it lighter or heavier? I'm going to click underline, and we're going to say it is heavier because the number is bigger than the apple. The bunch of bananas is blank than the bunch of grapes. Oops, let's go back. Is it heavier or lighter, you guys? So I'm going to look at the bunch of bananas and the grapes. Yes, the bunch of bananas is lighter. So I'm going to write that. And this is how we're doing this worksheet. Remember, as you're doing it, take your time, have fun, and remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.